So we're in Premiere, and what I've done through the myheritage.com website, I've got a clip which was a black and white image of this gentleman, Frederic La Trobe Bateman, born in 1810, and this is when he's about 42 years old, I think, around about the 1850s. And what the MyHeritage widget gave me was this. So it ends on a high, it ends with a bit of a smile. So what I've done, I've taken that last frame and I've extended it here, just as a static image for about, looks like 5 seconds. And then I've got a crossfade that basically just fades it out to nothing. And the background is black, so it just fades that out to nothing. And I've also taken this section and put it at the beginning, so that's in color. But this section here, I took a copy and I put it up here over the top, exactly the same position. However, I've applied a tint to this one, so you can see the tint here. The black is being mapped to something that is sort of a muddy brown, and the white is being mapped to something that's more ivory. And what it does, it takes the black and white and changes them to sepia to light grey. And I've also got a crossfade here as well. So what happens is, because this clip and this clip are exactly the same, except this has got a sepia tint, if we take the sepia off by just cross-fading and dissolving, we get to see the colour underneath. Okay, so that's the idea. There we go, from sepia to colour. This is a colour generated by MyHeritage. Now we end up on a smile here, and we start on a smile. But if we look at this clip here, the only bit where he smiles is the last frame right at the end. So if I'm going to have him start with a smile, what I have to do is copy this section, paste it in the front, and then play this backwards. So somewhere we've got a reverse, I can't remember where it is now. Somehow I've reversed this. I've gone to, is it speed duration? Speed duration and reverse speed. There we go. So this plays backwards, starting with the smile that it would normally end up with, and then ending with the starting frame of the original clip. So I've basically got something like 45 seconds out of the whole thing. So it's a bit better than the sort of 10 seconds, a bit more creative. So you get an idea of how that is working. So we go to colour, and then it starts moving around. So this bit's playing backwards. We're just jumping a little bit while I'm trying to record this. My machine's not keeping up to speed. So that's the end of the reverse section, and now we're into the proper clip, which ends on a smile, and then we extend that smile to the end and we just fade out. Possibly goes a bit long. It also, I think, just goes from a smile into a non-smile just a bit too quickly. So I might look at just taking those first 2 or 3 frames and stretching those out so he does changes from a smile less abruptly. But that's it. Thank you for watching.